Welcome to day 13 of my 31-day challenge where I am trying a new style, method, or product on my sister locks. I've been growing my sister locks for almost 12 years now, but I don't do much with my locks. I usually wear them down like they are today, and I stick to my routines. But for the month of December, I'm trying something new every single day and I'm sharing it with you. So subscribe and hit that notification bell if you want to join the journey. Today's video is a little bit different from the other videos that I've made in this series because instead of talking about a new product, I'm actually talking about something new that's happening to me and my locks. I am getting gray hair, and not just one or two gray hairs. I am talking about every time I part my hair, I am met with a row of gray hair. And it's only in the last month or so have I really noticed the amount of gray hair that I have. And at first I thought it was fuzz or there was something lint on my locks because I was just seeing all of these white things tangled up mostly at the base of my locks, and I couldn't understand what it was until I looked closely and realized it is gray hair. And the texture of my new gray hair is different from the rest of my hair. It's very coily and spirally, so it really seems to just like tangle up in my lock quite a bit. Of course, this is a natural process and everyone goes through it, but I don't think I was prepared for the emotional part of what it meant to get this many gray hairs. Those gray hairs remind me of my mortality. They remind me that time is ticking. It's just like another reminder, not that I don't have enough of those in my life. And it also reminds me, like as a woman, all of the changes that are heading my way as I move towards perimenopause. So it's just an overall reminder of all the changes that are still to come in my life. It's one of those things where I've seen so many people, of course, go gray, and I've thought to myself, sure, it's a change, you look different, but it's not that bad. But now that I'm going through the experience, I realize the weight of it. It's not bad, but I think before I didn't realize how many emotions are wrapped up in seeing yourself change and also in seeing this visual reminder of your aging and the fact that, you're getting older. And that's where I am today. I watched my mom go gray and I watched how she dyed her hair religiously to hide those gray hairs. And I would even help her sometimes. It was so important for her to have her hair dyed before she went to church or went for any kind of special occasion. But her grays would come back fast and furious, and within weeks of her dyeing her hair, they would be back. Until finally she decided that she wasn't gonna dye her hair anymore. She was just gonna rock her natural hair, and I thought that it looked so amazing. But now I realize the courage. Is it courage? It might not be courage, but she had to embrace the change. And I realized how much work that took. What I learned from watching my mom go through that whole process, and even learning from women now who have really embraced the idea of aging and everything that comes with that, is that I don't want to hide these grays that are popping up all over my head. At least not now. I'm giving myself permission to change my mind in the future. But for now, I want to embrace this change and this new potential look because they are coming in fast and furious, just like my mom. Maybe I have that gene. I'm just gonna continue dyeing my hair once a year like I've done from the very beginning. And from the limited research that I've done, I'm already doing the things I need to take care of my gray hair, moisturizing every day, reducing excessive heat and harsh chemicals, which are things I don't do very often. So I think I'm on the right track. There doesn't seem to be much for me to do other than take the steps, I think, day by day to embrace this change that's happening to me and to eventually, I hope, grow to love my gray hairs. I'm definitely not there yet. I would love to hear from you. If you have gray hair, please share any tips and anything that you've done to learn how to embrace and to love this change that's happening to your body. Thanks for watching this quick video. Tomorrow I'll be back with a new product. See you then.